Good morning, children. Welcome to the art class. Hope you all are fine and doing your work regularly. Today we will be doing page number 10 of your art book. I hope everybody must have bought the book by now. Those who have still not bought the book, for them I will be giving PDF of pages 10 and 11. You can take out the print and complete your work. Okay, so let's start. In today's class I will teach you how to complete this pattern on page number 11. Okay, so you will need a big scale of 12 inches and a pencil for this. First you have to make the pattern with light pencil. Okay, so let's start. You take a pencil and put a dot in the center circle of the middle flower. Okay, now you have to see that all the lines should pass through this dot. Now arrange your scale exactly on the diagonal corners of this square and then draw the line. You can see it should pass through the center circle, and this side also you can see it is touching the corner. Now we will draw the line. You don't have to draw on the flowers, you have to just join them. Now in the same way we will draw another line from the other two corners. You should see that your scale is joining both the corners and the line is passing through the center point also. Let's draw. Okay, now we will keep the scale straight from the center of the point in this flower and draw a straight line like this. Okay, see, the scale should be in the center, it should pass the center point and go till the end of the square. Okay, now draw a straight line like this. Use very light pencil. Now we will draw one line this side. It should also pass from the center, and see that your scale is kept straight parallel to the top and bottom line. Okay, check carefully, then only start drawing that your scale is straight. Now you can see we have drawn lines like this. Now we will draw rest of the pattern on these lines. You can start from here. You can use a scale for this. You have to draw a heart shape in all the four like this side, then we will draw this side also. And one this side. Like this you have to draw four heart shapes, and you have to draw diamond shapes this side from this petal of the flower till the corner of the square like this. Then this side also. In the same way in all four corners you will draw. Now in this corner, like this. Now you have to draw one more line this side, joining these two corners. Okay, like this. Like this. this side, then this side. Okay children, now we have to draw diamond shape on these lines also. So you will draw 2 diamond shape, one this side and one this side of the heart. Like this. Now you will rub the remaining lines which are coming inside the heart shape. You have to rub these lines, and inside these diamond shapes also you have to erase all the lines. Okay, I have shown you one line how you have to erase. You will erase all the lines. These lines will not be erased. Okay, these 4 lines will be there. Other lines you have to erase. Now you can see your pattern is ready. You have to also complete this pattern with pencil and keep it ready by next week, next Saturday. Okay, then I will teach you how to color, and everybody should keep your design complete by then. Okay, see you next week. Thank you and have a nice day.